There is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. Nice. So, Speaker sir, so I will avoid that.
अब तो आप नहीं कहेंगे उस दिन आपने इनको
बोलने तो दीजिए सर. So, the point is that I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on him. So, but I do not, sir, this budget that you have.
You and your member have I believe that day when Piyush Goyal had made a statement on the floor of the House.
सर मुझे अब कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर.
चलिए
नहीं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर.
ओके थैंक यू.
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर.
नहीं, काइंडली कंक्लूड.
So we have buckled on tariffs. We have handed out our data, given up control over digital trade rules, no data localization, free data flow to USA, limit on digital tax, no source code disclosure, and 20-year tax holiday. The most valuable asset that India has and will ever have has been handed over. Our farmers have been left to the mercy of mechanized, massive American farms. Our textiles have been wiped out. Bangladesh now is going to wipe out our textile industry. We can't buy oil from who we want to buy oil from. Now, I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister would do this. Logic ही नहीं है सर. Logic नहीं है सर. ये जो हुआ है सर, ये पूरा सरेंडर है. सर आपने ज्यादा बोलने दिया मुझे आज. सर आपने मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा जाने दिया आज.
बात आ गई.
तो this is a wholesale surrender. And it is a tragedy because it is a surrender not just of the Prime Minister. He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians. And he has surrendered the future because he wants to protect the BJP's financial architecture on which there is a case in the United States. He has surrendered. I'm not saying anything. I'm authenticating.
मैं आपसे नहीं मांग.
I will say it and then I will give it.
No, Mr. Rahul
should produce the proper documents, proper records. Otherwise, और sign करके देना है. Otherwise, authentical.
Sir, Speaker, sir, Minister, Speaker, sir, the evidence, sir, is in Department of Justice files that have been released in the United States. Hardeep Puri's name is in it. Anil Ambani's name is in it.
ऐसा नहीं बनेगा. राहुल जी,
Sir, the evidence is
आपने
Speaker, sir, I'm concluding now. I only started to say that because the minister said that I should authenticate. Now I have the papers to authenticate. I have it here. 1 second, please. I have the paper. Now I said to you, 1 second. I have the documents here. I said to you that I will authenticate and I will also I will authenticate right now and I will put it there on the table. But you're not allowing me to do it. Anyway, I understand that. I understand it. I understand you don't want me to authenticate here. You want me to authenticate there. That's not a problem. What I want to conclude with, sir, is we are heading into turbulent times and the nation has been sold. The nation has been sold out Its data has been sold. Its farmers have been sold.
Already you have said. I think so.
Can I conclude?
Continue.
Sir, its farmers have been sold. In a turbulent world, all its software engineers have been sold out. Its small and medium businesses have been sold out. And most importantly, our forces and our energy security has been sold out. Thank you, Speaker.
Thank you.